Hi, this is the Dantan Tech channel, and in this video I will show you how to install Honeygain on your computer. Honeygain is a service that lets you earn money passively just by sharing a portion of your internet connection. The app runs in the background, does not interfere with your computer's performance, and does not use your personal data. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, it really helps its growth. First, go to the link in the video description. Click this button. Here enter your email and create a password. Oh, this email is already used. Now download Honeygain app. You can see this available for Windows or for Android, for macOS and for Docker. So click download for Windows. Once the file is downloaded, open the installer. Click Next. Click this checkbox and Next. Now click Next and click Install button. Here click Yes. Wait for the installation to complete. Okay, click Finish. Here, click Agree to Terms of Use. Click Let's Start. Here, click Login. And enter your email and password. Okay, now you are ready to earn money. To make sure the app launches automatically when your PC starts, click your profile icon in the app. If the launch at startup is not checked, click it to enable it. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.